Welcome to the paradise of health and wellness. Let's talk about the future of health and wellness. AI is revolutionizing how we approach health, wellness, and even longevity. Imagine personalized fitness and nutrition plans, not just based on your weight or height, but on your unique genetic makeup. And we're not just talking about managing diseases. AI is helping us cure them faster than we ever thought possible. In this video, I'm going to break down how this technology is transforming healthcare and wellness. We'll dive into everyday wellness tools that you can start using today to improve your health. Stay with me until the end of the video, because I'm going to show you how you can start using AI to live a healthier, longer life. So, when I say AI is already saving lives, I'm not exaggerating. I recently came across this story about a woman named Rita Braverman from Boston. Rita had breast cancer, a rare form that even experienced doctors missed during routine checks. But here's where it gets interesting. AI-powered imaging technology, developed by researchers at MIT, was able to identify a tiny tumor. This tumor was so small it was basically invisible on normal scans. Because of this early detection, doctors were able to intervene early and treat Rita's cancer. This AI system is like having a second set of eyes that never get tired and can spot things even the most trained human eye might miss. And the best part? It's not just a one-off miracle story. This AI-driven system is now being implemented in hospitals around the world, making early and accurate diagnoses a reality for more people. We are entering a world where your smartwatch or even your home devices could alert you to potential health issues before you even feel a symptom. That's the power of early detection, and it's something AI is making possible right now. Now, let's talk fitness. Remember those generic workout plans that never seem to work? Yeah, those days are over. We're in the age of AI-driven fitness apps that create personalized exercise routines based on your body, not some idealized standard. These apps take into account your body composition, metabolism, even your fitness goals. Apps like Whoop, Freeletics, and Fitbod are using AI-driven coaching to take your workouts to the next level. They're analyzing your heart rate, tracking your muscle fatigue, and monitoring your recovery time to create a workout that's actually tailored to you, and it adapts in real time. Imagine you're doing a set of squats, and your form starts to slip. An AI-powered fitness app could pick up on that, give you real-time feedback, and even adjust the next set to prevent injury. This is the kind of personalized attention that used to be reserved for professional athletes, and now it's available to anyone with a smartphone. By tracking your progress and understanding your body's response to exercise, AI can help you optimize your workouts for maximum results. Whether you're training for a marathon or just trying to get in better shape, AI can help you get there faster and more effectively. Chapter 3: AI and Mental Health. Your 24/7 support system. Let's talk about something that affects all of us: mental health. We live in a stressful world, and it's okay to need support. AI is stepping up to make mental health care more accessible than ever before. We're seeing some incredible results with AI-driven chatbots like Wobot and Replica. These aren't just gimmicks, they're designed to provide real support based on cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT. Think of it like having a therapist in your pocket, available 24/7, feeling anxious in the middle of the night. Need help managing stress before a big presentation? These AI therapists are there for you, offering emotional support, guided meditation, and stress management techniques whenever you need them. And the best part is, there's no stigma, no waiting lists, and no hefty therapy fees. While it's not a replacement for professional help when needed, AI is bridging the gap for millions who lack access to mental health resources. Clinical trials have shown that these AI mental health tools are incredibly effective. Chapter 4: AI and Personalized Nutrition. Eat smarter, live better. Let's be honest, most of us could use a little help when it comes to nutrition. Imagine having a nutritionist who knows your body inside and out, someone who could create a diet perfectly tailored to your unique needs. That's what AI-powered nutrition is all about. We're talking about apps like Zoe and Nutrigenomics that take personalization to a whole new level. These apps analyze your DNA, your gut microbiome, and even your blood sugar levels to create a nutrition plan that's truly unique to you. This isn't just about counting calories or following the latest fad diet. It's about understanding how your body responds to different foods and what you need to thrive. AI is taking the guesswork out of healthy eating. By analyzing your individual risk factors and tailoring your diet accordingly, AI can help you lower your chances of developing chronic conditions like diabetes, obesity, and heart disease. It's like having a health coach in your pocket, guiding you toward the foods that will help you live a longer, healthier life. Chapter 5. The Future AI for a Longer, Healthier Life. What if I told you that AI isn't just about fixing health problems after they occur, but about preventing them altogether? That's the incredible potential AI holds for the future of healthcare. Companies like Google DeepMind and IBM Watson are at the forefront of this revolution, developing AI systems that can predict disease risk years, even decades, before they manifest. Imagine knowing your predisposition to certain conditions based on your medical history, genetics, and lifestyle. This is like having a crystal ball for your health, allowing you to make proactive changes today for a healthier tomorrow. AI-driven longevity research is making incredible strides. Scientists are using AI to understand the aging process at a cellular level, and they're already seeing promising results in slowing down and even reversing aging in lab settings. While we're not talking about immortality just yet, some experts believe that with the help of AI, living to 100 years old in good health could become the new norm. But the future of AI in healthcare goes beyond just living longer. It's about living better. Imagine a world where AI analyzes your body's data in real time, constantly monitoring your vitals, tracking your sleep patterns, and even analyzing your stress levels. AI has the potential to revolutionize not just how we treat diseases, but how we live our lives. So what did I tell you? AI isn't just some futuristic fantasy, it's already here and it's changing the game when it comes to our health. We're talking about life-saving early diagnoses, personalized fitness and nutrition plans, accessible mental health support, and even the potential to extend our lifespans. We are incredibly fortunate to be living in a time where technology like this is within reach. If you want to learn more about how AI and technology can optimize your health, fitness, and longevity, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Your health is your most valuable asset, and AI is here to help you make the most of it. Stay informed, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.